Hi, my name is Lene Salinga and I'm the Chatbot Product Manager for Workgrid. And today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to create your own new Q&A. So to get started, we always recommend that you check the existing Q&As and make sure that the question that you want to either add or edit doesn't already exist either as a custom question or one of our built-in catalog questions. So in this example, I want to add a question about our company's charitable giving, so I'm going to do a quick search around that. Okay, so I'm satisfied that there is nothing in the chatbot already about philanthropy or charitable giving, so I'm going to go ahead and create my own new Q&A. So here's your Q&A builder screen. So I'm going to walk you through each of the components and show you just how easy it is to create your own Q&A. So to start, we have the first part of the form is our author role. Now you will only see this author part of the form if you have more than one author right access. So here I'm an administrator, so I have access to all the different content author roles, but if you as a content author only have HR author access or only have finance author access, etc., then you will not see this authorship role. It will automatically be applied to your authorship role for the future for editing or deletion purposes. So again, we're doing philanthropy, so I think that belongs under HR, so I'm going to select that for my authorship role, so then in the future anybody with HR content author role would be able to edit or delete. So the next section is our topic. Because this is a net new question and answer, I don't anticipate seeing a topic that will be relevant to my cause, and I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my own. Okay, and that's how easy it is to add your own new topic. And then the next step is to start adding questions. So here, what you want to do is think about the main purpose, the reason your users will be asking the question, and then come up with like a few different variations on how the user might ask for that, thinking, really getting in their head and thinking about what they would ask and how they would ask it. So here I want to ask about how I can make a donation through the company and have it match through our giving program. So I'm going to come up with a few questions, thinking of a few different ways to ask about that. So as you can see, I asked the similar question in 4 different ways, all with the intent to get the information about how I can give to a charity through the company. And as you can see, I use different vocabulary and different synonyms throughout each. You can also notice that I use full sentences for each question, and that is because it helps train the chatbot better when you use full sentences. Even if the employees are entering in just a few keywords or phrases, it still has the opportunity to match on these full complete sentences. So this is just a better training method for it. And then finally, you add your answer. So as best practices, you want to keep this short, conversational, and directly answer the questions being asked. And then at the end, if there's more information to be had or found, you can add in a link. And it's as easy as that. You've added your own custom Q&A into the chatbot. So now we're going to save it and test. The reason that testing is important is because your chatbot has enterprise knowledge from all across your organization. So when you add new content, you add new Q&As in, you want to confirm that you are in fact getting the information and the answers that you do expect when you're training your bot. So it's really easy to do that. We give you this nice dashboard that makes it really simple. All you need to do is hover over the question that you entered in and click, and it will ask the chatbot in this test area, and then you can confirm that the answer that it provides is in fact the answer that you entered in the previous screen. So it's best practice is to do a quick check through each of these. And I'm satisfied. I got the answer expected each time, and then you can just do a double check and make sure that those keywords that employees are likely to use also work. So you can just enter in a phrase here. And confirm that you are in fact getting the answer that you still expect. So once that's complete, then you can hit publish. And now your bot is ready to respond with that content. So you can go ahead and check your toolbar that's live and in production. And there we have it. It is live, it is ready to go and ready to answer your employees' questions. So that is how you create and test your own custom Q&A. I hope that was helpful, and please do tune in for our next tutorial.